Okay, just a quick one today. So I've got my 5 meters of cable, the correct voltage and current cable. So what I'm just doing now is I've just taken, you'll see I've taken the second panel off and just turned it over, and I'm just connecting that second cable up. Hold on a sec. So I got some of these are not Renogy, but there's some other make, and they're a nice, fairly small cable gland, which as I say, I'm hoping to put over the back over there somewhere. So once I've got these wired up, I'll just flip them back over, and then I'll probably take it outside, put the roof up in the air, and then see if I can find a place for this. So I'm just gonna chuck that underneath the second panel here, just so that I can reach it. So I just really like to get these panels done and all screwed up, and then when I've decided the place for this cable gland, I can just pull the cable through. Okay, that's the plan. Yeah, soldering's no fun because yeah, I mean, there's not a lot of room in there. They've not really left you a lot of room to put these. Actually, these are 2.5mm core cables, which are, you know, quite substantial cables. I've not actually left a lot of space to, you know, put 2 of those down, but they did it, so I imagine I'll manage it. And I'm just about to use my gas soldering iron, melt you bastard 9000 butane soldering iron, just to get enough heat in here to actually solder these. So let's have a crack at that. Yeah. Soldered on. The terminal began to fall apart on here. They're not very good terminals actually, so the other wire I've just wrapped around the diode leg or whatever, so it's got tensile strength as well as just soldered. So that, I mean, that's good enough, to be honest. It's nice and solid. You know, you'll have to get 40 amps out of that before it started to fall apart, so that will do. Put that clip back in, which should go in. In fact, now what I'll do is I'll just do these glands up, and then I'll put the clips in, and then I'll spin this this back over and tuck the wire underneath, and then we can put the roof up and have a look to see where we can put these glands. Yeah, it's both panels flipped round the right way. I've got to bolt this one in, and then just sitting under there's the 5 meters of extra cable that I'm going to put around the back somewhere through that gland. So I'm going to bolt these in first, I think, to stop this getting away, and then I'm going to back it out, put the roof up, see where I can come in with that gland. There we are with the roof up. Just enough room. As exactly as I was hoping for one of these single glands, and that should clear the, I'll just put it forward in a minute, make sure it does clear this door, but it should clear the door and the top there. So I think that's where I'm going through here into the roof of the camper, rather than into the fiberglass roof or the door or anything. With the roof up and the door up as well, there's a nice little bit of space in that. That's perfect. There you go. I mean, it's only millimeters spare, but it's not touching either the roof or the door, so I think that's going to be my spot. And I think this will just sort of loop down there to sort of have a small bit of slack in it. But, you know, overall, yeah, I mean, so far I think I'm quite happy with that.